Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're unpacking a really fascinating intersection, the exact point where ancient tradition slams right into modern scientific principles. We're going to see how the ancient traditions of Lord Jagannath perfectly harmonize faith, culture, and deep cosmic physics. If you've ever thought science and spirituality were, completely separate worlds, well, this is going to show you exactly how this universal scientific spiritual heritage bridges that gap entirely.
And it all starts with this core message: unity in diversity, service to all. Now, this isn't just some comforting, feel-good philosophy, right? It's an actual operational mandate. It tells us we can acknowledge the massive, complex diversity of the universe and human society while still building a unified framework that serves literally everyone.
All right, Section 1, Science meets Cosmic Energy.
It's absolutely wild to look at how vibrant spiritual devotion maps directly onto profound cosmic energy and time cycles. When you take traditional deities and place them right alongside Einstein's famous E=mc² and swirling galaxies, it perfectly encapsulates the whole Lord Jagannath's tradition. It's this beautiful harmony of science, spirituality, and humanity, an ancient system that recognizes universal vibrations and cosmic energy as the literal foundation of existence.
Moving on to Section 2, Engineering the Divine Temple.
So let's look at the physical architecture and see how these concepts are actually built into stone. Take the Nila Chakra. It isn't just this beautiful religious symbol sitting up on top of the temple, it is actively functioning as a wind energy regulator. It has a highly precise aerodynamic design using specific metallurgical techniques to withstand and beautifully channel high-velocity coastal winds. To even conceptualize a structure with that kind of precise aerodynamics, one that harmonizes with natural forces, cosmic energy, and time cycles, that is a mind-blowing scientific feat from the ancient world that seriously rivals modern engineering.
Plus, the physical temple itself acts almost like a giant grounding rod for all these cosmic forces. The structure was engineered to align directly with solar movement and the Earth's magnetic fields. Think about that for a second. The architects weren't just building a place of worship. They were constructing a massive, highly precise astronomical instrument. They fully understood Earth's magnetism and the sun's trajectory, and they wove that deep scientific temperament right into the spiritual infrastructure.
Section 3, Sustainability and Social Equality.
So, how do all these high-level cosmic concepts actually translate to a thriving human society on the ground? Well, look at the ancient tradition of Mahaprasad. It functions as a highly advanced zero-waste community nutrition model. Literally every single part of the food preparation process is utilized. They use earthen pots that retain nutrients and then naturally degrade back into the earth, leaving literally zero waste. Then you've got the Ratha Yatra. While modern management professionals sit around studying mass mobility and theory, the Ratha Yatra is a live, ongoing masterclass in crowd management and absolute social equality. Millions gather, they walk together, and everyone participates equally. It completely breaks down societal barriers.
And these highly sophisticated systems naturally weave 5 core values into the very fabric of society: unity, service, sustainability, equality, and compassion. Now, these aren't just polite moral guidelines. They're the inevitable result of the systems we just looked at. When a community practices zero-waste nutrition, it inherently creates sustainability and compassion for the environment. When you master mass mobility, where every individual pulls the chariot together, you are physically manifesting unity and equality.
Section 4, A Universal Global Heritage.
The sheer scale and success of this cultural brilliance hasn't gone unnoticed today. It's rightfully earned prestigious recognition by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. That's a massive testament to its enduring value. UNESCO recognizes that the practices and the deep knowledge held within the Jagannath tradition don't just belong to one region. They are absolutely vital to the collective heritage of all humanity.
As a living framework, its global impact is just profound. It serves as this powerful symbol of universal brotherhood and peace that crosses borders. By demonstrating practical zero-waste management, it actively inspires sustainable living and inclusive societies all over the globe. And honestly, perhaps the most beautiful part is how it connects millions of people worldwide through pure devotion, culture, and a shared consciousness. It proves that spiritual wisdom and a scientific temperament really can foster global harmony.
This incredible framework of values brings us to a really clear call to action. As guided by Professor Dr. Kapileshwar Mishra, whose insights really ground this explainer, we're given a simple but profound directive. Let us preserve our culture, respect nature, and serve humanity. This powerful heritage challenges all of us,
from Puri to the rest of the world to step up. It's a system designed for future generations, demanding that we respect the nature providing our resources and actually serve the humanity sharing our planet.
So, I'll leave you with this final thought. How can you take these proven, ancient models of zero waste management and absolute equality and apply them to the community you're living in right now? We've seen today that the blueprint exists and it brilliantly aligns cosmic physics with profound human compassion. The real question is, how will you use it? Think on that and keep exploring.